That's gonna be all That's the
Oh shit. Damn, I almost ate and you weren't there to catch me.
You're way up there.
Hey babe, I found it.
It's over there?
Yeah. The entrance to the mine. Dun dun dun. Today we'll be exploring the Argentinian mill mine just outside of Las Vegas, Nevada. Let's go. So this is called the Argentina mill mine. Pretty cool. Alright, we're gonna try to climb this. Oh, yeah. So we got the first layer. Interesting. Some plumbing. So I gotta look up the history here. This must have been a little bit more modern than I thought. Okay. So this is going to be very steep. And we'll go back and see if there's a way to climb easier this way. Oh, there is. Here you go. Putting you guys down. Let's go. So we're up on the third level. Interesting. Seems like there's a easier way over here. Oh, crud, we could just walk side of the mountain. What's the point in that though? Okay. Got a view. Yeah, guys, so this is pretty cool. We're gonna try to do a couple of these together, my wife and I. And then the ones that require the dirt bikes to get to, I'll probably work with Alex and John on those. But stuff like this, where my wife and I could both go explore, I think those are ideal for us. So there you go, climbing up to the 5th level. Bunch of trash. Here's another chute. Interesting. We go up there. Okay. Here's another. And it kind of looks like you're in the, like an old, what? Kind of looks like an old fort, doesn't it? At least the layout. It looks like there was more layers up there. I'm gonna try to walk up. There's a platform handmade up there. Okay. What's the easier way to climb this? What's that? What does it say? Ouija. Great. That's gonna be fun. I keep saying that, but I brought some cowboy boots. Oh, that wasn't bad. That was super easy. Try to make it to that little platform or altar. Not sure what it is. We made it to the top. This is cool. This is only from, whoop, I almost ran straight into the wall there. From Enterprise, Mountain's Edge, Blue Diamond area. This is only a 35-minute drive, so not bad at all. Super easy to get here. You guys probably already saw the time lapse, so we'll walk back down, and I want to walk that little. I'm winded too. That's a climb. I'm pretty sure the camera doesn't show it, but that's a climb. What would you call that? The water washway or ravine? What do you call it? Yeah, ravine?
Yeah.
But we'll go back down there and walk that. I saw a cross over there, so we'll see what that is about. But yeah, this is a pretty cool place. That'd be a gnarly fall. No, you ain't. I'll catch you if you fall.
My idea would be finding at the bottom of the ravine.
Oh. Just make you feel like those Bonanza shows?
You should more because you're wearing your boots.
Boots with the no fur.
That's gonna be all different. That's pretty.
Oh shit. Damn, I almost ate and you weren't there to catch me.
You're way up there. The boots with the fur are for the weekends, right, baby?
That's right. Wait,
You in the club.
catch me in the club with the boots with the...
Club with the boots. I just want to slide down up the butt the whole way. I think that'd be easier.
That'd be nice.
Then I can get my
Yeah.
legs ripped open.
Uh-huh. I'll make sure to record that.
Yeah, but we have to go out to eat, so we can't do that.
Yeah, we're planning on checking out that saloon,
I'll be walking
Pioneer
in
Saloon, one of the older bars in the state of Nevada.
I'll be walking in my leggings straps.
Ugh. That's the fun part. Yeah, this is cool. It's one of the easier places to explore.
It's a really cool hangout spot.
Yeah, we'll come out here and do a bonfire. Oh, you know it'd be so cool here? 4th of July. Come here with a group of friends and have a bonfire and some fireworks. Apúrate, let's go.
Why you gotta be going this struggle?
We need to get you like a chest mount GoPro. So if you do eat it. Oh.
Gotta get that POV.
Exactly. Hey babe, I found it. Yeah. The entrance to the mine. Dun dun dun. Oh, that's it? That was
Anticlimactic?
very much so. What the hell, Bobby?
Dang it, Bobby.
For the gram?
What? That's it?
Bitches love the gram.
All for the gram. Bitches love the gram.
Oh, wait, shit.
Act like you're holding it up.
I don't do what you gotta do these outdoor activities. Okay. Okay.
Mucho dinero.
was really it?
Well, yeah.
I mean, they said it was a failure for a reason.
Almost what?
Almost died.
What do you mean?
That's steep. I dare you to run down there as fast as possible.
Yeah?
No, don't really do it. I was just kidding. You're gonna get hurt, dude. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I was expecting to go. Okay, good. What, I can't get down? Ain't no way, bro. Is there another way I can take? Oh, I'm scared. It's ASMR.
One eternity later.
I grew up in the flat cornfields of Indiana.
We ain't got no mountains out there.
Okay. Oh, shh. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. When you blame your laptop for being a bad gamer. What is that?
Yeah, biscuits don't expire.
It's pretty cool. There's not very much danger here. It's all pretty stable for the most part. I would recommend some good pair of boots or shoes to make it comfortable, because everything's at a steep angle, but not horrible, so it's doable. Definitely wouldn't bring a kid or anything here, of course, but yeah, teenager or an adult, this is a pretty easy place to explore. Like I said, nothing that I saw that was like, oh, that's dangerous, let's not go there. Pretty cool place. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. That's a wrap, guys.